Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jobs with Shubham. So today I am going to provide a very good opportunity. So those who are looking for software engineer job as a entry level, so you can apply for the job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. So let's go and start the video. So this is the page of entity data and it's a hiring for associate software development engineer for Pune location. And let's talking about this the associate software development engineer as an entry level subject matter expert task with assigned with designing, developing and testing software system module and application of the software enhancement and a new product including cloud based and internal internet related tools. So let's talking about these roles and responsibilities. So received detailed instruction to design and develop solution and functionality of driven and growth of business, assist with the waiting for the test code, assist with the existing execution of automation testing, takes direction from various stakeholders to participate in the software development, assist with delivering a software component while working with the collaborate with the product team and all these things you have to know. And those who have a basics understanding of cloud architecture and service multiple public cloud like AWS, GCP, Microsoft Azure and Microsoft Office 365, developing subject matter expert in programming language such as C, C++, C Sharp, Java, JavaScript, Python, Node.js libraries and the framework, and some expertise of data structure algorithm, software design with a strong ethical and debugging skill, and all these things we have to know. And those who have done a bachelor's degree of equivalent computer science engineering or a related field can apply. Microsoft certified Azure fundamental preferred, and all these things we have to know. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here apply now and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. Moving to the next job is coming from Genpact and it's hiring for management trainee Python developer for Gurgaon location. So let's talking about this. So we are seeking for passionate and skilled Python developer to join in the team. As a fresher in this role, you'll work under the guidance of senior developer to design, develop, test and deploy Python based application. This is an excellent opportunity for individual looking for kickstart their career and software development of the focus on the Python. So responsibility is that collaborate with the team member and understand the project requirement and deliver a scalable Python application, write clean maintainable code following best practice in software development, develop unit test and conduct automation testing, ensure the code reusability, participate in the code review to provide a review constructive feedback of the code changes, and all these things you have to know. And those who have done a bachelor's degree in computer science engineering or related field can apply. Solid understanding of Python programming fundamental and object oriented principle, and all these things you have to know. And excellent communication and English both verbal and written can apply, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here apply online and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. Moving to the next job is coming from Simons and it's hiring for software developer for Hyderabad location. So let's talking about this responsibility. So develop functionality accurate system L system C TLM software module and CPUs ARM and RISC V architecture and other hardware device that can be used to compose a virtual platform, verify the model functionality versus behavior model and RTL using system C and system Verilog, and apply for testing, debug and implement the test plan, build virtual platform of hardware design of the system level, and write professional functional space and design document. And those who have bachelor's or master or PhD degree of equivalent experience in computer science electrical engineering with minimum 2 to 8 year of experience and good can apply. A strong experience of C++ programming in embedded Linux development, and we are looking for someone who have a good experience with Linux Unix OS and experience with scripting language such as Make, TCL, Perl, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here apply now, and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. So in this video we have talked about 3 job for software developer and software engineer. So if you are looking for this job role, so you can apply for the job. This is a very good opportunity, and अभी तक मेरे चैनल सब्सक्राइब तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन देन आस्क मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. आई हेल्प यू. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. टिल द गुड बाय एंड